for golf, A for alpha, and N for November. Am I correct, ma'am? Okay, ma'am, may I ask how many nights they want to stay in a hotel? Okay, ma'am. May I ask what type of room they want or you would like to suggest? Okay, ma'am. We have a deluxe room which costs 1,360. We have double deluxe room which costs 1,850. We have a superior room which costs 2,640 with breakfast and lunch. And we have a executive suite which costs 3,440 with breakfast for you. Okay, ma'am. May I ask for your arrival date? May I ask for your departure date? Okay, ma'am. May I ask for your estimated time of arrival? Okay, ma'am. May I ask for your address? Okay, ma'am. May I ask for and how will you settle your account? Okay, ma'am. So you will be paying 100% for the room rate and 50% for the incidental charges. Okay. May I ask how many person will be joining the room? Okay, ma'am. May I ask for your contact number? Okay, ma'am. May I ask for your email address? Do you have any special request to be? Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your reservation? Your room tax executive suite which costs 3,540. Breakfast for two. You have a request 2 pillow. A guaranteed cash. And your arrival date is March 31, your departure is April 1. Am I correct, ma'am? That would be all, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you for considering Hotel Domingo. Have a nice day. Morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Hotel Domingo. How may I help you? Ma'am, do you have any reservation? Yes. May I ask for your reservation number? Ma'am, may I ask for your name? Gina. Ma'am, may I ask for your password or wait. And then we will reserve room executive suite with a room rate of 5,000.
And then, ma'am, may I ask for your email address?
So, how will you settle your account?
Cash.
Ma'am, you will be paying 150% for your room rate and 50% for your incidental
May I ask for any consumption of room 4 2? Okay. So ma'am, here is your guest folio. You have consumed on your day 1 is haircut salad which costs you 300, a Bloody Mary cocktail 185, and a dinner buffet at our Luigi's restaurant which costs you 400. On your day 2, you have consumed your shiatsu massage 60 minutes which costs you 300, a slice of velvet cake 185, and a facial cake 400. Your credit is 0 pesos. Are all the dates in here is correct, ma'am? May I ask for your signature? How was your stay in our hotel, ma'am? For considering Hotel Domingo and have a nice. Looking forward to see you.